Hello everybody, welcome to another video of Mental Mit. Well, today we are going through Worldly Wise 3000 Lesson 6, Grade 7. Yeah, and let's go. Our first word is addict. First can be a person with a very strong desire for something that is like habit forming, something harmful, something sometimes harmful, like drug addict that is like so harmful, and junk food addicts. Yeah. To say that this definition, the addict is a person. Yeah. And then second is a person who is a very enthusiastic fan. So for example, I am a soccer addict. Yes, I love soccer, and yeah. And then, addict as a verb can mean to cause someone to have a very strong desire for something. So for example, my mom addicted me to doing MCA. Well, I'm not, but because it's like hard. Yeah. And then there's aspire. They have a strong desire to get or do something, or to seek. Every national team aspires to win the World Cup. Every club aspires to win their league or the Champions League. Yeah. And then we have bias. A preference that prevents one from being impartial, which is like prejudice. So I have a bias between the Ronaldo-Messi debate. I'm a Ronaldo fan. Yeah. And bias is like to cause someone to have prejudice. Ronaldo biases me against with the Real Madrid and Barcelona choice. Yeah, I like Real Madrid. I support Real Madrid. No offense to Barca fans. Yeah. And then blatant, very obvious in an offensive or shameless way. So this Josiah's invitation to the entire class to come to his party was a blatant attempt to win votes in the student council election. Yeah. And then there's candid, expressed honestly without holding back unpleasant truths. Yes, candid. So, for example, I will ask you guys to write in the comments about your candid opinion of the Ronaldo-Messi debate. Yeah. Okay, then there is confront. To stand up to or to face boldly. I can confront to the people that think I can't do well in my new grade and my new class. Yeah. Or confront can mean to put or bring face to face. So you can confront a problem and bring it face to face to solve it. Yeah. And then debut. It can mean a first public appearance. For example, let me think. Bellingham's Real Madrid debut was in June or July. I don't really remember, but sometime there. And debut is like a verb of that. Bellingham debuted in I don't remember the day. Yeah. And then enroll, like to sign up to be a member of something, some group activity, or like to register, I enrolled in the AI League in Code Combat. You can do that too. And then there's Fluster, like to make somebody like nervous, embarrassed, or confused. So for example, like the height of the other team's players flustered me, and I suddenly forgot how to dribble the ball. Yeah. And then there is impunity, freedom from being harmed or punished. So like kings and queens have like impunity. And then there's intensify, to increase or to strengthen or deepen. I will intensify my efforts to become a better center midfielder. Yeah. And then there is intimidate, to like frighten, especially like by threatening someone. I intimidated my friend to let me think. Let me think for a second. So, intimidate can be, I intimidate you, and because I want you to help me with something. Yeah. And obnoxious. I am not obnoxious, and I hope that you think so, because if you don't, I can't do anything about it. Yeah. Obnoxious is like very unpleasant, disgusting. Yeah. Then retort, to answer, especially like in a quick or clever way. Well, if you ask me, like, what would you do for the debate? You can retort. I can retort that I'm not sure. That's not clever. That's not retort. But if you're clever, leave some kind of answer in the comments. Yeah. Alright, retort can be a quick, clever reply. Leave a retort there. And a stint is a period of time devoted to a job or some task. There was a stint that I have been the main character of the play, the musical play. Well, stint can be limit or restriction, like the stint that you can't drive like faster than a certain amount of like miles per hour on a highway, and it can also be the verb form to limit or restrict. And well, that's all for today, and please leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in our next video. Bye bye.